Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Reena and today we are going to talk about Calmness Kit. Yes, in today's lifestyle, people are having a lot of stress, and for that we are having this formulation wherein in Calmness Kit you will be getting three Vedic formulations you will be getting. So the first is Som Sukti. So Som Sukti, as the name suggests, this formulation contains three magical herbs which are Brahmi, Shankpushpi and Ashwagandha. And as per Ayurveda, these herbs work as a nervine tonic. So this formulation is very useful for the people who are not having their proper sleep or suffering from insomnia. The second formulation that we have in this kit is Zingi Plus. Zingi Plus is a formulation which contains four main ingredients. The first ingredient is milk thistle, which we also call silymarin. The second ingredient is cinnamon. It also contains turmeric. And the fourth ingredient is ginger. The fourth ingredient is ginger. So in Zingi Plus, we can see that these formulations help in liver detoxification. So liver is the organ in our body which is responsible for removing toxins in our body, and it is very important, like if you want to live a stress-free life, it is very important to remove these toxins from your body. And this milk thistle helps the liver to enhance the activity of the liver so that it can remove the toxins from your body on a regular basis. The third formulation that we have is basil berry. Basil berry contains 5 ingredients. The first ingredient is giloy. It also contains neem, basil, which is the tulsi that we call in Hindi. Then it also has amla and turmeric. So as we all know that giloy has anti-inflammatory property and it boosts your immunity. Giloy and neem, they both are titras, which means they both are bitter in taste. And anything which is bitter in taste reduces your pitta dosh in your body, which means it helps in reducing the inflammation in your body. Along with that, it has amla, it has turmeric and it has tulsi. All these ingredients are very much important to boost your immunity. At the same time, they all have anti-inflammatory functions in your body. So once you start consuming Som Sukti, basil berry and Zingi Plus, then you feel that your body starts detoxifying itself, you get your regular sleep of 7 to 8 hours, and you also see that your liver also starts working in a better way and you are able to digest and metabolize your food, and the absorption also increases in your body. So this Calmness Kit is basically useful for those people who are facing issues in terms of their digestion, the people who are not able to sleep at night properly, and the people who are having gut issues. So this Calmness Kit, if you know more about this kit, you can log into our website, which is www.onehealthplatforms.com. Thank you.